Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'll be unboxing the Mirror's Edge Catalyst Collector's Edition. Let's go ahead and open this beauty. So the slipcase comes off. Very quickly, these are the contents of the box. It has Faith, and I think it's her sister, I'm not really sure. So a statue of Faith and the other girl, a steelbook, and temporary tattoos. I think both are tattoos. And you have the concept art. I think these are postcards. And a limited edition lithograph, which has not been revealed here, I guess, apparently. So let's go and open this. It's a very fancy box, I'm telling you. And I had a tough time carrying this box from the store to my home because it weighs 5.5 kilos, trust me. So yeah, it's just a black box, and you have a subtle DICE logo here. This is pretty neat. So the first one you see outside is the steelbook. Of course, there's no game inside it, and no digital codes as well. It's very simplistic, but I love this box because it has been like done very well. So let me keep this aside. I'm gonna remove this styrofoam. Okay, it doesn't come off that easily, so I'm just gonna tilt the box. Okay, something else is coming out. So I think these are the tattoos. It says plastic bags can be dangerous. Wow, I didn't know that. Let me open this. So you get 3 tattoos here of the Mirror's Edge logo and some encrypted tattoo here. I think these are all the extras apart from the statue. So this is the lithograph. It's got this nice little embossing. It's pretty big, trust me. So this is my hand size. My hand is really bigger for Indians as such. Wow. It's the city at night. Not the best, but then like, I'm pretty sure this look beautiful on my desk. I might even frame it, you know? It looks very pretty. It's just copyright information in the back. So yeah, let me keep the test aside. And let's open the postcards. Let me quickly go through you. I think this could be a villain because he looks sinister. Nothing on the back. So this is like an edge of a building you would run onto. This is Faith running to attack a drone. This is being chased by a security guard and a drone. Looks like a friend trying to fix or hack a drone. Yeah, this is like somebody trying to rescue somebody. This looks very abstract, trust me guys. This is a beautiful piece, but here's the thing, the colors, they are like more black, white and red than being more colorful. I mean, it reminds me of the cute bug they put for cracked versions of Mirror's Edge 1, where basically you would go onto a ledge but you won't be able to jump further because you would end up slowing down and not able to do the jump because it's a cracked version of the game. This reminds me of that. Right, let me keep this aside. Let me get back to business here. Wow. Okay, this is sealed, and I think I'm gonna need a knife. Let me quickly go and fetch the knife. So bad of me not taking that before with me. All right, I'm back. So I hope I'm opening the right side. Yeah, it is the right side. It says Mirror's Edge. Yay. Apparently it needs to be opened that way. I'm hoping the statue is going to be pretty neat because, wow, guys, you gotta look at this. It's so good. Oh my god. Look at this, guys. You could see the high quality here, and you could really see why this box actually weighs so much. Wow. Such a high quality statue. I'm literally sweating now. It's so bloody heavy. I think it's polystone. Wow. Oh my god, the detailing here. Guys, this is the shit. Look at this, guys. There's even a cracked thing. Could it be Faith when she was a kid? This is detailed so much. Oh my god. Here's her tattoo, which you're getting. And this is pretty badass. Yeah, there's no lights or anything configured, I guess. So, hope I don't miss it. But the detailing on these statue, mind blown. Just let me quickly put everything together. Oh my god, this is so heavy, guys. The postcards, the knife, the lithograph, the tattoo, and the scale book, and a beautiful box. So this is Mirror's Edge Catalyst, the collector's edition. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and press the like button and do subscribe if you haven't. Have a wonderful day.